Hello and welcome back. Summer is still going strong and it's time for another moto adventure. This one takes place in Caliente, Nevada, a town known for, well, not so much. But its elevation is a bit higher than Vegas, so it's the perfect place to do some summer riding. We took the 2.5-hour drive north and camped at Chief Mountain South Campground, elevation 6,000 feet. Welcome to Caliente. Up here at this little campground. It's kind of a semi-established spot to camp for free, a little BLM spot. So today we got Don leading, and then we got Stefan and Mark behind me. I'm on the 300. I've never ridden up here before, so Don's gonna show us around a little bit. Ooh, we got Donald's super secret single track. It's just loose. He said this has been a trail for many years, but if people don't ride it and use it, it goes away. Kind of like how you see here. Oh fuck, that branch was bigger than I thought it was. Knocked me off my bike like that time in Gene when I got clothesline. Ow! Holy shit! That about knocked me out. That second branch, I did not see it. I'm losing him. It's not that far ahead, but I can't watch what's right in front of me and him at the same time. There's not much of a trail to follow there. Just some faint tracks every now and then. So far, this terrain kind of reminds me of Cold Creek. Loose sprocket. It's always fun to record tracks when you're following a person that knows the area and you don't, you've never been before, and then you get home and you actually look on the map and see where the heck you went. Wasn't gonna wear my Mojave gear because we're at like 6,000 feet elevation, and this morning it was a little chilly. You get warm quick. Ooh, it's soft. Did I mention it's soft? This is cool. 2-track turn single wash. Wonder if there's a break in this fence. I see tracks right there. You think there's a break down the way? Yeah, we'll go look. Yeah, let's check it out. Otherwise, getting through that barbed wire is that's a no. I bet this is the crossing. There we go. Look at that. All right. Now we're getting into the trail. It'll be soft on the other side. Super cool. I don't see tracks. Where the hell did he go? Ah. This is impossible. Call this the impossible trail. I'm gonna call it the impossible soft enduro trail. Because you do have to go like first gear crawling over obstacles and stuff. But it's not necessarily hard. Right there. hear a horn? Did I hear a horn?
Yeah.
Is that Stefan and his horn? Has he got a horn? Alright, he's running hot. Thought I heard a horn. I'm like, what is that? Guess we're gonna go scope it out while Stefan's bike cools down. Might be something. Yeah, I think this is it. That's steep though. I think I found it.
I think I had a big stick in my rim.
I've had a couple, yeah, they come up and hit me in the leg. This is like a freaking road. Alright, that's weird. It just kind of opened up to a freaking double track, almost like a dirt road up here. Definitely a horse trail. Ooh, here we go. This is awesome. Oh, what? I guess it goes this way. I thought that was like some other dude. That was Don. God damn! Why is this so hard? No traction at all.
Yeah.
It looks like you'd have traction.
I thought I was up and then man, it put right back there.
Yeah, that's a square step right there. Alright, got the little stupid hill climb obstacle there. Didn't look like much, but not a lot of traction getting up that stuff. Everything just crumbled underneath you. One badass trail. A lot of variety. Kind of go up and down over little sections of this mountain range. Fuck, I keep having to duck under these trees. I can't turn the bike when I do that. too damn tall. A pokey one. Super grateful that Donald was on this trip. He's able to lead. A leader that knows an area that you have nothing what's the word? No knowledge of. Yeah, having a leader in an area that you have no knowledge of, that is just priceless. I wouldn't know where to go up here. None of this looks like there would be any good single track. You really gotta know where it is. I guess you just look for the horse shit. Where there's horse shit, there's good trails. This is awesome. And we're dropping down into the big old canyon. Hell yeah. Crossed over the highway, taking a dip and loop back. I think we're gonna go back and grab some lunch at camp. I think is the plan. If not, I got snacks. I can ride all freaking day. Close. My boots just saved me. Kind of hurt a little bit. Folded my front of my boot. That was sketchy. This is cool. Alright, on to a new section here. Thought we were going back for lunch. We are not going back for lunch. I'm okay with that. Let's keep on riding. Whoa. Whoa. Almost hit a tree. I saw down to the left. There we are. Man, this has gotta be some old single track. It's just like kind of half overgrown and eroded away and very faint. Can't believe out here in the middle of freaking nowhere there's this track though. It's pretty rad. Oh my god, I could barely see. Don swears these are trails. Where did he fucking go? Oh, there it is. What the hell is this? Oh, it's a rock. It looked like a little, what do they call those little kilns? Like a mini charcoal kiln. Can't say it. Alright, we're kind of onto something here. Oh, fucking shit. That tree turned my handlebars. Ow! Fuck! Nice, look at that. Just look at it. Beautiful. Freaking beautiful. Wow. This shit's fun. Alright, I think we all made the decision to head back to camp. We're all feeling kind of sore, kind of tired. We've done 39.26 miles in a matter of, I don't know, just a few hours. So we'll probably go back, make some lunch, and chill. I thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're not, if you like these kind of videos. If not, click away. We'll see you later. We'll see you guys next time.